create a chart about a certain topic that has somewhat has sense. Okay. Like Ma'am Guevara's instruction, create a chart about any topic as long as it is with sense. Okay, with sense. Inserting a chart inserting chart in Microsoft Excel. The first thing to do is open Microsoft Excel, of course. So there are 3 ways to open Microsoft Excel. First, by simply just selecting it on your taskbar. If it's already pinned on it, then next, other one is by going to Start menu, then browse for the Microsoft Excel, which falls under letter E, Excel, or search under the search windows. So type Excel. Alright, there it is. Then choose blank workbook. Then now let's create our data sheet first, where the information on our chart would come from. Okay. First, let's select the area where we would want to put our table. Maybe 4 columns and 20 rows is enough. Okay, then go to the Insert tab and then click Insert Table. Okay. Now, let's hide this header row and then replace the header row by just simply typing. Okay, on our first header, on our first column, we would type subject. Second column to fourth column, second, third, fourth. Okay. Second to fourth column, we would put the names of the imaginary students who excel on different subjects, namely apple, broccoli spelling, okay, oh shucks, I'm not sure about the spelling. Next is cabbage. After that, we would now enter the different subjects like science, math, English, Filipino, AP, ICT, ESP, environmental science. Oh, if the cell the word doesn't fit the cell anymore, we could adjust the size of the column by simply moving this is called double-headed arrow to our specified size here. Then it's now adjusted. Then let's go back, developmental reading. Developmental reading. Oh, autocorrect. Nice one. Then, what else? Mape. Did I forget something? Wish I didn't forget something. Okay. Now, let's enter our... As you can see, we have we have doubled our A for Mape. So we can edit that using this formula bar, so we won't have hard time selecting here in the cell. Let's go to the formula bar and then erase this small a. Oh, and we're good. Now let's enter imaginary grades for apple, broccoli, and cabbage on different subjects. Let's say apple got 97 in science. Whoa, genius. 95 in math. Okay, fine. English, 93, 94. Filipino, 93. AP, 92. ICT, 96. ESP, 95. Envisa, 97. Developmental Reading, 96. And MAPE, 93. For broccoli, let's say, oh, I have misspelled science. Let's edit again using the formula bar. Science. Thank you, formula bar. They're so helpful. Now, let's say that broccoli has a 95 grade on science, 95 on math, 96 on English, 94 on Filipino, 93 on AP, 96 on ICT, 95 on ESP, 97 in environmental science, 96 in developmental reading, and 93 in MAPE. Now, let's put imaginary grades for Cabbage. Let's say his grade in science was 96. Then math is 96 also. For English is 94. Filipino, 93. AP, 92. AP. ICT, 96. ESP, 94, 93. Environmental Science, 96. Developmental Reading, 97. And MAPE, 94. Now, after creating this, our data sheet, let's now move on. Oh. Let's now move on in inserting our chart. Let's go to the Insert tab and then select Insert Column or Bar Chart. Then maybe a 3D column and bar chart would be good. Okay. Now, let's just place it and resize it. Yay. Okay, now, as you can see, our table is, chart is blank. So, for it to show data information, let's right click, then choose Select Data. Going back to our data sheet, let's select our data sheet data. Then, there, as you can see, let's try to switch. Yeah. Oh, nice. So we could see, then we click OK. And then we can now see the progress of apple, broccoli, and cabbage on different subjects. And we can compare them easily using a ruler or any graphing device. First, let's put the title. Let's name this chart the progress of apple, broccoli, and cabbage. So if you have typographical error like this, it shouldn't be capitalized. If you're already in a chart, you can't already use this formula bar, so you have to patience, because patience is a virtue. So you would do it manually, erase, then replace, okay? And then after leveling up, let's do some formatting on our table. So we could use different styles for our table. This, Oh, I found this cool. Okay, it's just this, and then some preferences. Let's show the legend. Legend. The grid lines. Okay, it's already checked. Okay. Now our chart was done, but it, if we want to know whether apple, broccoli, or cabbage was the highest, let's get their averages. First, let's copy this. Cell pointer, come on. Cell pointer, okay. Okay, you don't want cell pointer. Let's drag then copy or control C. Then let's go here on column A, row 27. Then control V to paste. And then now let's average. So first highlight the grade of apple, and then let's go to the auto sum and average. There, the average was 94.8. To prove that this average wasn't just entered in there and it was solved, we could see here that there's a formula because it has an equal sign. Then it says average. So it's not just put it in there. So it was computed by Microsoft Excel. Thank you Excel for computing. We won't use a calculator anymore. Okay, let's get the average of broccoli's grade. Average. Oh, flat 95. And then for the average of cabbage, $94.7. Whoa, 0.1 deficit. Okay, let's now label this as the average. Oh, using our datasheet now, we could create another chart. Let's go again to the insert, then the bar and column chart. I love bar and column chart. And then now let's make it 2D to see what's the difference. Difference 3D. The bars look three-dimensional, but here it's just two-dimensional. Now let's reselect our data for our chart. Now let's just select the average. Let's remove the check marks on different subjects and let's just choose the average. Okay, now broccoli is leading. Oh, close grades. I thought cabbage and apple was the one leading, but it seems that broccoli was the one leading. Okay, congrats broccoli. Then let's again edit our chart. Then let's change the title. What could be the title? Maybe congrats broccoli. Congratulations, oh, broccoli. And then let's edit our chart again by I love black background. Okay, fine. Black background. And then let's show the legend already shown. This is the legend. Okay. No more chart elements hidden that I don't. Okay. Now we're done.